Hello everyone, welcome to Publish Prime. Today we will be looking at how to edit your book cover on Amazon KDP itself. Please note that you can only edit the KDP cover if you have created it on the Amazon KDP website itself. If you have a PDF uploaded, like in this case, we have it here, so you cannot do that. So this is my test book and my test account. So let's go ahead and try to edit the cover, and here we have all the basic details filled in. So this second page is actually the page wherein we get to edit the cover. So here is the space wherein you create your Amazon KDP cover or upload one of the files which you have created as a PDF only. So this is using Amazon KDP stock images and all. If you have uploaded your own, as you can see, there is no way you can have your editing done in this very interface. So if you have to like edit it, so let's launch the cover creator. So here you have the option of getting images from gallery or my computer, or skip this step altogether. Let's get it from the gallery which Amazon has, and let's go to food and drink and see what we can get. So let's select this one, use this image, and this is how the image would look. Now the book is 8.5 by 8.5 inches, and that's the reason it is showing the way it looks is in a squared form or a rectangular form. So once you select the image, you can choose this design, or if you would have skipped the step, you can completely design your cover on your own. So now if you see, click here to style your author's biography. So this is how it gets edited, and in the background, if you select, or you have these options, which is choosing colors, choosing the layout and the fonts. So the thing is, it is always suggested that you make your book cover in at least Canva or Microsoft PowerPoint also works good for covers. If you want another video, I can teach you how to make book covers in PowerPoint as well. The whole idea of making book covers in Canva is that you get a lot of free assets and images which you can merge together and can be used commercially as well. So in this case, for example, what I mean by that is, if I want, say, to create a kids book cover, we don't have kids pictures or the pictures which can be helpful in designing a very vivid and very colorful book cover, because Amazon does not offer that much. What I'll have to do is download all the images from, say, other websites which offer free colorful images for kids, and then import them here, like in the very first UI or the very first window. We had that, and once we have it there, then we can actually place the images here and there, and then change this and do all the things all together. So these are the things. So that's the reason. This is how you edit or make a cover on Amazon KDP. And again, now mind well, you can only edit a cover on Amazon KDP if you have created the cover using this UI, else you won't be able to. You have to edit your cover where it was created, and then you have export it as PDF and then upload it to Amazon KDP. That is the only way it works. So this concludes the video. If you have anything, or if you need more examples on covers, please let me know. Thank you for watching.